Did you know that oceanic atolls are ring-shaped coral reefs formed from the growth of coral polyps around the rim of a submerged volcanic island or seamount, creating unique and diverse ecosystems in the middle of the ocean? These pristine habitats support a wide variety of marine life, including corals, fish, sea turtles, and seabirds, and provide valuable services such as coastal protection, fishery support, and tourism opportunities. Oceanic atolls also have significant cultural and ecological importance, serving as refuges for endangered species, centers of biodiversity research, and sites of indigenous knowledge and heritage. If you're captivated by the beauty and diversity of oceanic atolls, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more incredible explorations of marine ecosystems.